Hello boys and girls, today we have magical colors. Let's draw cheetah. To draw cheetah, what do we need? We need pencil, we need colors. Whatever color you like, you can add. I have added this like kind of imaginary colors on my cheetah. Okay, so let's draw cheetah. To draw cheetah, we need to do first make an oval. This is a sitting cheetah. Okay, make two round ears. They have roundish ears. Okay, and double lapping, and they have nice big eyes. Make like an oval, make a pupil, then longer. Okay, yeah. They have a line that goes towards the cheeks. Okay, they have a nose. Let's make a connect with the eyes, go down, make a curve, make like a W, go up and connect with the eyes. Now they have a little triangle on the top of their nose, just like this. Okay, and then when their bodies are long, when they sit, it looks like this, almost long. I'm going to make very, very long body. Okay, it's easy for you to do too. Okay, now just like a cat, curve and turn like a candy canes. Okay, for the behind legs. Now we need inner legs as well. So make a line, a little bit curve, go down and make a down. Okay, and make a round. 1, 2, and 3. Just we will do it for one more leg as well. The inner leg, 1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3. And they have a tail, goes a little bit slant, and then come back. Okay, just like this. And they have spots all over their body. So let's make some dots and spots all over their body. They are very fast runners, you know. They can even climb the trees. Their eyes are brown in color mostly, okay, because they are cheetah. And you know, the mama can give 4 to 5 cheetah cubs, and she takes care of the cubs as well till they are ready to hunt by themselves and eat the food. Their bodies are light in color, but their spots are really, really dark. Dark black spots, and they are mostly like a oval or circle, big and small shapes they have all over their body. Even on their face they have all these marks. And this line, when it goes by the eyes, this line indicates that they have a protection, sun protection, and they can hunt when they want to, and sun don't block their eyes. So that's how they have that lines. They can hunt at the daytime and they sleep mostly at night. Now our cheetah is ready. Now their eyes are brown in colors and they like to move at the daytime and sleep at the night. Now let's color our cheetah. Cheetah has mostly like a tan color. I'm going to make it a little this. Okay, I'm using watercolor again. You can use whatever you have, marker or crayons. Okay, so I'm going to put very light shade of tan color. It is not yellow, but they are tan in color. Okay, so see how tan they are, and you can spread the watercolor as fast as you can. Okay, because this is water aqua brush as well, and it has some water inside the brush. They are really cool. And then you can color as you go down. Okay, so finish your coloring and color it all the way down. You can also make some trees and plants all over. They live in jungle and they live mostly in Africa, Asia, all over the world. You will be able to see cheetahs. They run really fast. They can also climb little bit trees. Their tail are not very much round in shape. Their tails are just like a rubber tails like this. Okay, so let's do some plants and trees all over. Let's make some green lines and finish coloring. And you can draw and paint sky and make it most creative as you like, or you can just leave like this. Okay, bye.